For Memorial Day, we're gonna prepare a staple Spanish food. Black beans, rice, and pork. Wow, delicious. You can find this delicious recipe, English and Spanish. Just click recipe. I'm cooking the pieces of pork at medium-high. I'm gonna remove them from the pot. I'm leaving like 3 tablespoons of grease on the pot. And I'm gonna saute the onions, the garlic, and the peppers. We stir a little bit. We have parboiled rice, 5 cups of water. I'm using this Iberia ready-to-eat black beans, and I put it with the juice and all. We add the pieces of pork. This is sazón completa con achote. I don't know if you know, but the San Marcos Chipotle sauce is the #1 Chipotle sauce in Mexico. We let it cook until it boils. Once it boils, we reduce the heat, we cover the pot, and we let it cook for 20 more minutes. Have a great Memorial Day. Con el Chef Pepín, ¡jajay! Hasta el fin, ¡jajay!